Two ogbonge politicians for inside our country Nigeria, they don dey fortify themselves, they don dey ready for battle as Oga Onanuga don fire shots give Mr. Peter Obi, and he come dey yarn dey give am say they go meet for inside court. And the genesis of this battle between these tight men, e dey start when Mr. Peter of the Labour Party come sama the special adviser of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, wey be Bayo Onanuga, with 5 billion naira lawsuit, and in dey demand for an apology within 72 hours on the grounds of defamation. After Oga Bayo Onanuga bin sama one strong accuse say na Mr. Peter Obi na dey organize, na dey sponsor this coming protest wey wan sup for inside we country Nigeria. That's na the information wey I wan share give all of una. The other koko be say the Rivers State local government caretakers, they don attack the lawmakers wey dey support RI0US, sake of say the lawmakers now wey dey support RI0US, they dey demand for the arrest of the local government caretaker chairman. No be small ozebama, correct people. Now, without wasting much of your time, make I give you the full details of this information. So the tori be say the special adviser on communication and strategy to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, his name na Mr. Bayo Onanuga, he don respond to the 72 hours ultimatum and the demands wey come from the mouth of Mr. Peter Obi, wey be the Labour Party's presidential candidate for inside the 2023 general elections. Oga Bayo Onanuga na, through im social media handle for the popular social media platform wey we know as X, in dey let country people dey know say he don pay im dues and he ready yafu for Oga Peter Obi of the Labour Party. Wetin he writes for im official X handle, he say he dey wait for the letter from Mr. Peter Obi lawyer threatening a 5 billion naira lawsuit and demanding an apology to Mr. Peter Obi over the planned resolution, and make him just tell Mr. Peter Obi and him lawyer one time he no dey fear any legal action, say they go meet for inside court. So no be small drama, my good people, no be small battle wey go happen for inside court. We never know when, but we know say e go hot, no be small. And you see this development, my good people, e dey come after the legal team of Mr. Peter Obi come give Oga Bayo Onanuga deadline for him to take back an alleged defamatory statement. That is that accuse wey Oga Bayo dey yarn say na Peter Obi na dey organize, na dey mastermind the upcoming protest, and make Oga Bayo Onanuga apologize publicly and make him pay the sum of 5 billion naira in damages. The counsel of Mr. Peter Obi, wey be Chief Alex Ejisieme's son, he come dey yarn say this statement now by Oga Bayo Onanuga, as in dey link Mr. Peter Obi to a planned mass protest. This protest so we wan put for inside we country Nigeria, say e no make sense, say na lie. And the statement now by Oga Bayo Onanuga, e don damage the reputation of Mr. Peter Obi. The legal team now come dey demand the retraction, as in make Oga Bayo Onanuga take back wetin he talk and make him apologize, make him say sorry for inside 4 different national dailies, as in 4 different national tori people their channel. And the 4 different channel, number 1 na Vanguard, number 2 na This Day, number 3 na The Punch, and number 4 na The Cable. So that's my correct people, na the lawsuit wey Mr. Peter Obi arrange give Oga Bayo Onanuga, wey be the special adviser on communication and strategy to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And see am say the man, he don tell Mr. Peter Obi now say he ready 24/7 for anything wey wan arise. As a matter of fact, make dem meet for inside court. No be small drama, my good people. You know say all this quarter so e start on the 20th day of July for inside this year 2024, and e begin with the statement of Oga Bayo Onanuga. Na him start am when he dey go sama accuse say Mr. Peter Obi supporters na dem dey plan mayhem, na dem dey plan katakata for we country Nigeria through the nationwide protest, and he say make dem hold Mr. Peter Obi responsible for any crisis wey go arise. Now this statement e no go down well with Mr. Peter Obi legal team, and they say the accusation e don cause serious emotional injury to Mr. Peter Obi, given his decades of stellar stewardship in private and public life. So on to the next information wey I go like share give you, my good people. The tori be say the caretaker committee chairman of the Omoma local government area for inside Rivers State, Inina Promise Reginald, on Tuesday night don dismiss the arrest call by the lawmakers wey dey loyal to the former governor of Rivers State wey be Nyesom Wike. You know say these lawmakers now wey dey support Nyesom Wike, inside their sitting on Monday, they come dey call for the arrest of the caretakers wey dey appointed by the Rivers State governor wey be Governor Siminalayi Fubara to run the 23 local government areas. These lawmakers now they come dey yarn say since the Supreme Court now for inside their recent judgment, they can't give local government autonomy. So therefore, the caretaker committees are hereby illegal. Now why they can't call for the arrest? They can't call on the police to arrest anybody where they call himself local government caretaker chairman for inside Rivers State. However, my good people, reacting to this matter on Tuesday during an appearance on Tori People their channel, Oga Regina Konde Yano said, to be honest, if to say na the serving lawmaker for inside Rivers State or the speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly will be Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo, now they yarn all this one, so they go take am seriously. But since na Martin Amewule, wey no be member of the Rivers State House of Assembly, wey don wash him hand comot from the People's Democratic Party their business go join the All Progressive Congress, he say he no get anyhow way they fit take the matter serious because he no get any right, he no get any left, he no get any constitutional powers or whatsoever to call for the arrest of anybody for inside Rivers State, not to talk of a caretaker chairman in any of the 23 local government areas of Rivers State. But he no blame the man sha, because they dey busy, they go up and down, they buga, they parade themselves, they tell everybody say the police belong to them, say they fit give orders to the police and the police go just obey. But he know very well say the Nigerian police wey he know very well, they no be choice men at all, and they dey very busy to come dey lis ten to man wey be say last he don go back to im house for inside Port Harcourt, and he know very well say that man no suppose to dey go up and down dey talk about how he want to arrest anybody, but he suppose to dey talk about re-election. Oga Promise Regina come dey yarn dey give country people say Martin Amewule, he no be member of the Rivers State House of Assembly, so therefore they no go take a matter seriously. Even the Rivers State people sef, they don move on. The people wey dey support the governor of the Rivers State wey be Siminalayi Fubara, they don still move on. Say they no care about them, their matter e no concern them again. And he say yes, so the Supreme Court don grant local government autonomy, but e no get any time wey the Supreme Court order the governors to dissolve or to cancel or to end the caretaker committee. So therefore, the caretaker committee they go continue. This na the informate wey Asimeka share give you, my good people. Anyhow the thing be you for body, you are free to drop it inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give you good updates as e dey hot on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our country, Nigeria. So if you go like to dey receive news like that, feel free make you subscribe to the channel and make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first get the updates and you go receive am sharp sharp. I dey bring another information wey I go share give you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.